In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Screencastify on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record your slides along with your voice and, optionally, your webcam, so you can create polished presentations without extra software. First, install Screencastify. Open the Chrome Web Store in your browser, search for Screencastify Screen Video Recorder, and click Add to Chrome. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. When the extension is added, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account so Screencastify can save your recordings to Drive. If you're prompted to allow microphone or camera access, go ahead and grant those permissions now so recording works smoothly later. Next, open Google Slides and load the presentation you want to record. Take a moment to make sure everything is ready. Confirm your slides are in the right order, visuals are clear, and any animations or videos you plan to show are working. This quick check prevents surprises once you start recording. Now launch Screencastify by clicking its icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Choose your recording type. Browser tab is usually best for Google Slides because it captures only the tab you're presenting, keeping the recording clean and focused. If you plan to switch between apps during the presentation, choose Desktop. Turn on the microphone so your voice is captured, and pick the correct input if you have more than one mic. You can also enable the webcam if you want your face to appear as a small overlay, which can help personalize your presentation. Make sure your environment is quiet and your mic level looks healthy. Start recording by clicking Record, then return to Google Slides and click Present. Speak naturally and guide your audience through the slides as you advance. Keep your pace steady, pause briefly on key points, and avoid moving your mouse unnecessarily so the recording looks professional. If you make a small slip, keep going. You can redo a short section later if needed. When you're done, click Stop on the Screencastify controls. Your video will automatically open in a new tab and it's saved to your Google Drive without any extra steps. For best results, use browser tab mode for slide-only recordings, confirm your mic is on before you begin, and do a quick test recording to check audio levels and slide flow. If you're on the free version, aim for concise videos to stay within limits. That's it, you've recorded your Google Slides presentation with Screencastify.